Yet if any man suffer as a Christian, let him not be ashamed, but let him glorify God on this behalf. 1 Peter 4:16. Christianity goes like this. Persecution on one side, success on the other. You can't just enjoy success. You also have to endure the hardship. God is with you through it all. Je dis que une vie d'un chrétien, c'est les problèmes avec aussi les succès. Tu peux pas seulement aimer les succès parce que ça marche pas comme ça. Avec tes problèmes, rappelle-toi que Dieu va être là avec toi, il va t'aider, il va pas te laisser tomber. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get it started. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Afi Elizabeth here, and I'm going to show you guys 19 ways to dress one dress. I show this dress because it's very difficult for people to find ways to wear dresses like this, and I'm here to help. Je vais vous montrer 19 moyens que tu peux porter cette sorte en robe, ou bien une robe dans ton closet si tu veux porter mais tu sais pas comment tu veux porter. So let's get started. I am going to first pair off this dress in a simple form, which is with the red shoes. Robe à motif, c'est un peu difficile de coiffer, mais c'est pas le problème. Si tu as une couleur simple, tu peux mettre ça avec les sortes de robes comme ça. It's very easy to style if you have solid colors as far as shoes. So my second style, I'm going to show you guys, you can also wear it as a skirt. So I'm going to pair it up with a turtleneck because it's still cold outside where I live. It's not going to be spring anytime soon. Je vais vous montrer comment je vais styler ça avec cette chemise ici parce que c'est un froid dehors. So tu peux aussi porter ça comme ça se voit comme un jeep. C'est vraiment un style, hein? Mais c'est pas un problème. So I like to wear it this way as well. If you want, you can wear a jacket with it. It all depends on you. So my second style, tu peux enlever les chaussures, tu mets aussi les ketch. You can take off the heels and just go casual, just a casual fit. Walk around, go shopping, but you still want to look good. Add the guest shoes that I added. The fourth style, tu peux rajouter un autre tricot de couleur, une simple couleur. You can add another turtleneck with a simple color. Make it look casual by adding a beanie on top and wearing of the same shoes. Tu peux enlever les chaussures, les ketch, tu portes les talons, talons noirs. You can take off the tennis shoes and you wear high boots with it, ankle booties, and you're good to go. So it's like you can, walk around the mall and then somebody hit you up like, hey, let's go kick it. You're like, okay. So you change shoes and you look dressy. Si tu peux partir manger avec tes amis, ils t'appellent, tu peux changer les chaussures et tu te vois, comme si tu es, important. So yeah, so these are very simple style. My next upcoming style, I'm going to show you guys. You could also add it with another solid color. Some people might not like this look, but I prefer this look because it's very unique. Peut-être que tu vas pas aimer cette style ici, mais moi j'aime cette style. So you can get a nice plain color, bright color. Pink and yellow go perfect together. Belted around, or if you don't like the belt, yes sis, tu tiens pas les ceintures, tu peux enlever les ceintures et tu portes ça comme une jaquette. So it's very plain. Like I like plain. Rose avec jaune, ça part vraiment bien. So you can just wear it like this. I like to close it sometimes because I feel like it's very nice when you close it, and I also blend like the sleeve. I make it look like it's part of the dress, the jacket in a way. If you look at me from afar away, you would think, the jacket came with the dress. I don't know. It's a weird way for me to explain it. You're watching, you see what I'm doing, okay? You see what I'm doing. Tu regardes, tu vois ce que je suis en train de faire. Now, style number 9, I like doing this because this is like, it gives me the uniqueness that I catch on Pinterest. Shout out to Pinterest. So I like to put a shirt with my dress. Sometimes when I get tired of just, adding sweaters and stuff like that, I get in my closet and I look for a dressed up blouse or a shirt, and I wear it with my dress. So with this, I like to pair it off sometimes by itself, it depending on how the shirt is. Sometimes when I feel like, this could use an accessories. If I'm not wearing a necklace, this could use an accessories. So I get something like a belt and I put it around my waist. And the thing about this dress is it's kind of slanted on the neck, so it gives it that unique vibe. Like the neck is slanted and you have the shirt with it. The neck just goes perfect with it, okay? Second one, I like to pair, well, this is style 12. I like to pair with a vest, denim jacket. Le jean comme ça montre le style de ta robe. Hein? The jean jackets, ça part avec tout. Denim goes with just about anything. I'll pair it off with some sneakers, the Fila sneakers. Je vais porter ça avec les chaussures, les baskets de Filas. Ça se voit comme ça. Si tu n'aimes pas les Filas avec ta robe, ça c'est ton problème, c'est pas my problem. If you don't like sneakers with your dress, that's not my problem. But I will also go in and I'll pair it off with a plaid type of blazer, une jaquette comme ça. Si je pars comme, je sais pas où je vais partir, mais si tu travailles au bureau, dans un bureau, tu peux pas porter les baskets, tu peux porter avec les chaussures comme ça, les talons comme ça. If you work at an office, area and you can't really wear sneakers, you could also cry out in your closet and get an open toe shoes, because I'm calling for it to be warm outside. But if it's too cold for you where you live, like for me, I live up north, I close my open toe shoes with some type of tights. Si ça fait froid d'ailleurs, tu peux en rajouter un bas, tu peux porter ça avec les chaussures qui sont ouvertes comme ça, ou bien tu peux les chaussettes, ça part avec aussi comme ça, mais ça dépend de toi. Mais moi, j'aime porter les chaussures ouvertes comme ça avec les bas. I like to wear my open toe shoes like this when it's cold outside with some tights. So yeah, you look good, sis. Next, if you feel like your blazer is kind of plain, for me, when my blazers, I get tired of wearing the same blazer over and over, I like to add up some sneakers, and then I'll add on some denim jacket on top of your blazers. It looks like it came with the blazer, but really you added on to the blazer. Souvent, ça se voit comme si ça vient avec les vestes, mais toi-même, tu peux rajouter les jean jackets avec ta veste, et puis tu rajoutes les catch avec ta robe. You can add sneakers with it, and it gives it that very nice, I don't know, it looks like European vibe to me, like it gives me that European fashion vibe. So yeah. So next is the basic color, the black. Black is my favorite go-to color when it comes to design dresses like this. So je vais rajouter une veste noire. Noir, ça part avec tout. J'ai beaucoup de noir dans my closet. I have a lot of black in my closet. So with that being said, I added up with black squeaky leather sneakers from Gus. And I added on a really long vest that will also balance out with the skirt. J'ai rajouté un vraiment long veste. C'est que ça peut matcher avec aussi la robe. Ça te voit comme ça. C'est vraiment chic. Il y en a vraiment... For moi, it looks very plain to me. So if you're a plain person, this will be for you. If you don't like all that color, you just want something plain and simple, so people won't be like, what you got on, sis? This is for you. Okay, me, I don't really like all this type of plainness, but I figure why not. So if you are tired of the long sleeve and you want to show the pattern from your dress, you can also add this. You can fold the sleeves up and blend it in with the vest, so people can also see the design from the dress. Si tu veux, tu peux aussi prendre la main là, tu peux plier ça avec ta veste. So yeah, style number 12, you can add gray heels with it. Oh wait, number 17, you can add gray shoes with it, and you're out the door. Or you can head out the door like this and add nice black boots with it. And this is the last style. If you guys like this right here, let me know, and I'll be back and doing more styles like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.